Now it's time to plan out your project. I'm using a beading tray that I got at Bobby Bead to lay out my pattern. Time to string your beads. And don't worry if they slip off the end. You can use this little trick to keep that from happening. Did your bead end up falling off? It may take a few tries to get it back on without a needle. Once you have it, open the string and push your bead through the hole. Then close the string around the bead and hold it close while you take up the slack.